Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Turtle Beach tells 500 not pairing. Let's dive it. The first step you have to follow, ensure the headset is charged. For this purpose, you have to connect the headset to a power source using the provided USB cable. Charge for at least 2 hours until the LED indicates a full charge. A fully charged headset ensures optimal pairing performance. Power of the headset. Press and hold the power button until the LED indicator turns off. Ensure the headset is fully powered down to reset pairing mode. Prepare the transmitter. Locate the recessed pairing button on the USB transmitter. Use a paper clip or similar tool to press and hold the pairing button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. Enter pairing mode on the headset. With the headset powered off, press and hold the power button until the LED starts flashing rapidly. This indicates the headset is ready to pair. Complete the pairing process. The transmitter and headset LEDs should turn solid after a few seconds, indicating successful pairing. If not, repeat the steps. Verify audio settings. For PC, right-click the speaker icon, select Sounds, go to Playback tab, and set the Turtle Beach headset as the default device. For console, adjust audio settings to output sound through the headset. Update firmware. Download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub software on your PC. Connect the headset via USB and follow the instructions to install firmware updates. Firmware updates resolve compatibility issues. Reset the headset. Refer to the user manual for reset instructions. Typically involves pressing and holding certain buttons simultaneously for a set duration. Power on the headset after resetting and try pairing again. Test on another device. Connect the headset to another console, PC or mobile device. If the headset paired successfully, the issue may lie with the original device. Contact Turtle Beach Support. Visit Turtle Beach Support website. Provide details about the issue and steps you have attempted. Inquire about warranty or repair options if necessary. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.